Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save workspace in BricsCAD. So let's get straight into it. So I will show you the fastest option that we can save current changes. So if you see in your project now down below, you will see some gray command line. This one here. If you see my mouse, here it says enter command. So if we type in this uh, comment, sorry, not, okay, so VWSSAVE, okay, sorry, I need to go back. So like that, WSSAVE and hit enter. This window will pop up, so save workup space. So enter the workup space name. I will go with the test. I will press OK, and like so, we have saved our workspace. Then, if you want to update, enter the name of your current workspace. So if we go and try this way, or if you want to create new one, just type a new name in it and save this as a completely separate workspace option. And yeah, like that, you will save, update, or create new workspace. So I will show you again. So if we type in here WSSAVE, and if I type in the old name of workspace, I will just update it. This, so if I want to new workspace, I just hit some different name here and it will work as a new workspace. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.